Namaskaram. Today we're going to look at the different ways of saying he and she in Malayalam. Now, the common word that we use for he and she would be Avan and Aval. But depending on how well you know the person and the ranking of the person socially, that can change. To begin with the male pronouns, we have Avan. And then to move up in formality, the next one we have is Ayaal. And then we move on to Pullikkaaran. And after that, Angér, then Mooppar, and then Addhéham. And finally, a word that was formerly used for royalty but is pretty much out of use is Angù. Now, in Malayalam, there are not as many female pronouns as male pronouns because historically women didn't hold so many places in society. So in general, if we want to refer to a woman respectfully, we can just say Avar, Avar. However, there are now some modern female equivalents to the male counterpart. For example, Pullikkaaran is Pullikkaari and Mooppar is Mooppatthi.